Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kamitech and in the 5th class of Adobe Illustrator. My name is Kamran Aman. So guys, today we are going to talk about the third tool of Adobe Illustrator, and that is group selection tool. What is group selection tool? Group selection tool is basically used to modify the individual objects in a group. In fact, group selection tool does the work of selection tool as well as direct selection tool. And in fact, this tool allows you to do work more faster than using selection tool as well as direct selection tool. There are many advantages of this tool, but on the other hand, with the help of this group selection tool, you can't resize a shape in Adobe Illustrator. So guys, we will understand every point in this video. I'll go to fill color and I would like to take a red color. Now you can see that we have taken a red color for our rectangle. Press V to take selection tool. Now you can see that I have created a shape, and this is rectangle shape. I would like to take some other shapes like a round rectangle shape. Another shape I would like to take, that is ellipse tool. I have created this oval shape. I'll keep this shape here. I'll take another shape, that is polygon. Now you can see that I have created a triangle, but I am not going to take. That's why I would like to undo this. That's why press Ctrl Z, press click on polygon tool and left click. Now you can see that how many sides you want to see on your shape. That's why you can write whatever the digit. I would like to write here 5. Now you can see that now I have created a polygon here, or whatever the shape you want to create, how many sides or corners you want to see on your shape. Now you can write. I have created this shape. I would like to take another shape, that is star, from star tool. So guys, now you can see that we have created 5 shapes on our canvas, and I would like to change the color of these shapes because everything should look different from others. That's why it's a red color. I'll give it some different color like blue color. We will give it to green color. We will give it to yellow color, and stars should be in orange color. Select all of the shapes, go to stroke and then none. Now we have removed the stroke or outline from all of the shapes. So guys, today we are going to learn group selection tool, and that is situated with direct selection tool. Click on group selection tool. Now you can see that I have chosen group selection tool. You can select any object on your canvas. You can drag it, you can move it anywhere you want. Like I am moving this. You can select a single part with the help of group selection tool. But now it's not working because still we didn't make a group. So guys, we will go to selection tool. I'll create a group of these 2 shapes. Left click from your, select both of the shapes, and right click from your mouse and then click on group. So guys, now you have created a group of 2 shapes. Now I have selected these 2 shapes, and I'll press shift key from my keyboard and then press, and I'll click on oval. Now you can see that we have selected 3 shapes on our canvas, and then right click from your mouse and then press, then make a group of these 3 shapes. Now you can see that we have created a group of 3 shapes, and we can move the whole group together on our canvas. So guys, now it's time to talk about the group selection tool, and this is the place from where you can use group selection tool for more faster work. Take group selection tool from here, and now you can see that with the help of selection tool we can't select a single object from our group without ungrouping the group that we have made. But with the help of group selection tool, what we can do, so let's check it. Now I have selected a single rectangle from my group, and I can move this where I want to place it. So guys, I can do this. The first, you can change its color without ungrouping the whole group. Go to colors and then take darker red color. So guys, now you have seen that we have changed its color. I have selected change its color. Now you have seen that we have changed the color of an object on our canvas without ungrouping the whole group. So I would like to change the color of another shape. So let's check it. I have selected a single object on our canvas and I would like to change its color. I would like to give it a blue color. Now you can see that I have changed the color of single shape from our group of 3 shapes. So guys, the next thing that we can do with the help of group selection tool. So let's come back on our direct selection. Guys, now you can see that I have selected a single shape from the group of 3 shapes with the help of direct. Now you can see that what is the difference between group selection tool and direct selection tool. With the help of direct selection tool, you can manipulate a single point in a group, but at a time you can change the color of single shape from group. You can select one by one all the shapes in a group, but this problem can be solved with the help of group selection tool. So let's click on group selection tool. Now you can see that what we will do in this step. Click one time on a single object. Now you can see that we have selected one object. Click again on that shape. Now you can see that we have selected 2 objects in one click, and that was the second click. Now you can click third time on the same shape. So guys, now you can see that we have selected the whole group with the help of group selection tool. So guys, let's come on. We are going to see this tool as an example, as a practice. I'm gonna to take a polygon tool and let's Control Z. Take polygon tool and right click. Take a polygon tool and left click from your mouse and write here 3 corners and then press OK. So now you can see that we have a shape with 3 corners and we want to make around 2 corners and 1 corner should be sharp. That's why how we will do it. Press A from your keyboard and in this way your direct selection tool will be active. Select both of the corners you want to make round. So guys, now you can see that we have made a rounded shape. Then bring it down and now we are going to create a flower type thing, and on that thing we will learn that how we can use the group selection tool for faster work. So come on the rotate tool, click on it. Now you can see that the rotate tool has come in the center of this. Let's bring it on the corner of it. Now you can revolve this shape around the center point and you can make a copy of this shape. Do Ctrl Z and then press Shift key from your keyboard and then revolve it. And while doing this, press Ctrl and now press Ctrl D to make the copies of this shape. Select the whole flower and now we are going to understand how we can use this tool. So guys, now you can see that we have made a flower on our canvas and I would like to select the whole flower. Ctrl G. Now we have made a group of different shapes on our canvas. So guys, now you can see that how we will select all the shapes together. Go to group selection tool, select this shape, change its color according to your requirement. Select the next shape, next, next. So guys, now you can see that we have changed the color of all of the shapes on our canvas. So how you can select the whole group? The first thing that you can do, press V and now you can select the whole group together with the help of selection tool. The second thing that you can do is select direct selection tool and you can select one shape from your group and one by one you can select all of the shapes together. Ctrl Z. We have come back. Now come on group selection tool. One click. Now you have selected one shape from the whole group. Then press next time. So guys, let's right click from your mouse and then click on ungroup. Now you have ungrouped the whole flower. Now press one by one we are going to create one group of these two shapes. Ctrl G, then first select these two shapes and then press shift key from your keyboard, and now you can press Ctrl G. Now you have made two group. One group is of two shapes and the second group that you have made of three shapes. So how you will select them? With the help of group selection tool. Group selection tool makes it easy for you to select one by one group and next time the next group. I have selected the single group, and in the next click now you have selected the two groups. And if we have made some other groups, then you can select these groups too. I have selected these groups together. Ctrl G, and now click one time, the next time, and the next time. In this way you can use this tool for better working. For fast working you can use this tool. So guys, I hope you have understood many things from this class, and I hope you will continue your learning. So guys, if you have learned anything from my video, then make sure to subscribe my channel, like and comment the videos, and very soon we will meet again with the next tool of Adobe Illustrator. So guys, take care of yourself and others. Have a nice day.